closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm doing fantastic, thank the Lord. So for today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing my bills, my sinking funds, and then I'm going to be choosing another number for my $10,000 savings challenge. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, and you're probably asking yourself, where is this pouch from? This is my new bank pouch, and this is from Christina Loves Planning. So I will leave her link in my description if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and take this money out. Look how cute, so simple. And we are cash stuffing $1,119. All right, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm pretty sure you noticed. As you guys can see, the tray is on this side now. So I had it on this side a while back, so I decided to just, you know, switch it up a little. But anyways, let's pull out my paycheck breakdown, and here I have everything I will be stuffing. My bills, which is a total of $720, and then my sinking funds and my $10,000 savings challenge. All right, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did mention on one of my stories that I was gonna get rid of all of my bills envelopes, and the reason for that is because I don't see the point of having all those envelopes. If you're good with managing money, you know, and you think you can do one envelope, you can do that, and that's what happened with me. I'm good at managing money, and I feel like having all those envelopes makes no sense to me, at least to me. So I went ahead and pulled it out because those envelopes just stay empty every as soon as I pay the bills, and bills are only due once a month. So, you know, the envelopes stay empty in my binder, and as you guys can see, I have like my bills, my sinking funds, I have everything in just one binder. So it was taking a lot of space, and I didn't want my binder to break. So yeah, so I'm only keeping one zipper envelope for all of my bills. And then you're probably wondering, okay, so then how are you gonna keep track of your bills? Voila, I created this bills tracker. It's available on my Etsy as a digital file. So here I just write down all of my bills, and then every time I add money, and then the balance, and at the end of the month or when I pay it off, I just check it off. So I will be printing this every month. So yeah, I think this is easier for me. I just, you know, you got to do what works best for you, and I feel like this is gonna work amazing for me. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Grab my calculator. So rent is getting $554. My rent is $1,108, but I do divide that into two. Oh wait, before we get started, I have my October calendar layout, right? So here, this calendar is not available on my Etsy for 2022. If you guys want this specific one for like October, November, December for this year, you can send me a message on Instagram or on Etsy at SimpleShopz, and I will send it to you. But I currently have the digital and physical copy of like the whole year for next year as a booklet. If you guys want to check that out, it's on my Etsy. But yeah, here I wrote down the times my husband gets paid, I get paid, and then just wrote down like when the bills are due and for how much. And I just basically, you know, go based on this to do my whole paycheck breakdown, as you guys can see here. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Right, so rent is $554, electricity is $554, electricity is $99, Netflix already charged, my printer is $13, Epidemic is $15, gym is $28, and then my capital, which is my minimum payment for my credit card, is $35, but they already charged. So we are stuffing $709. So let's go ahead and grab that from here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, am I doing all hundreds? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5, but I'm gonna get rid of this one. All right, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, what the, 4. Oh my gosh. All right, so we should have 709. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 709. So let's go ahead and wait, I gotta do this. So balance for electricity is 0. We got the money in there. Netflix balance is 0. HP is 0. Epidemic 0. And then gym 0. And for the rent, the balance will be $554. So that's how much I will be stuffing for the next paycheck. All right. Voila. Now let's get into our sinking funds. Let me fix this. All right, so for kiddos, we are doing $10. We're gonna do 10. So kiddos now has 100, 50, 70, 90, 200, 246, 206. All right, emergency. You gotta color one of these in. We're adding $20. And emergency is getting a 20. 100, 220. You guys, and I've had a couple of people leave me like really nasty comments on here, and I've had to delete them. So they've said, well, why are you cash stuffing if you don't even have $1,000 saved in your emergency fund? Excuse me, let me correct that. You have the option to either put everything towards an emergency fund and not save anything for any future expenses. That's all up to you, right? So here I choose that I want to put money towards my emergency fund little by little, as well as put money towards future expenses. So it's really up to you how you want to save. Let's just get that clear before anybody comes at me again, because your message, your comment will get deleted. I hope I wasn't too mean about it, but it's just very frustrating when people come at you because, you know, the way you manage your money. It's my money. It's how I want to manage it. It's not how you want to manage it. It's not how other people manage it. So if I want to stuff this little by little, I will do it little by little. Can I put $1,000 towards emergency fund right away? Absolutely, I can do that, but I choose not to. I want to show everybody that you can do it little by little. You do not have to rush. So emergency fund has $220. Now savings is getting $5. So savings now has 100, 150, 160, 65, 170, and I lost my breath venting. Student loan is getting $18. So we're gonna do pink and do $18. And let's see, 10, 18. Maybe I should grab these two. 8. No, let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 16. All right, student loan taxes is getting 40. So 20, 40. So student loan taxes has 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Capital One is getting $100. Again, this is another thing people like to come at me, and all I gotta say is mind the business. So Capital One is getting 100. Best Buy is getting 100, and we are almost done paying this off. Fur Baby is not getting anything. Gift is getting $10. 10. So let's go ahead and cross one of these out. Let's do this one. So it has 30. Autumn, I pulled it out. I'm actually doing something this weekend, so I took out the money. There's nothing in there. And then Christmas is getting, I think 50. Ooh, I didn't write it down. Yeah, but 50. Christmas is getting 50. Let's go ahead and color one of these in. All right, so let's do these 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 50. All right, so Christmas now has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, what? 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 280. All right, Adventure is getting 20. So we're gonna cross out a backpack. So Adventure now has 100, 20, 40, 65, 165. And then, so miscellaneous is just any like rollover money from my cash envelope, my daily expenses binder. So there's nothing. So my $10,000 challenge, we are doing 76. So let me grab my color pencils. We're doing 76. And I have a really bad feeling that I don't have the right denomination, because where is the 6? Where? Oh my gosh. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to add 76. So we're gonna pull out 1, 2, 3, 4 and add 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. And why do I have a 50 left? Oh my gosh, what is this? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 901. Oh my God, almost $1,000. Why do I have a $50 bill? Why? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? No, so until I find out, I'm just gonna add it to miscellaneous. I know I messed up somewhere, but I just don't know where. And then I have this. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 54. $54. Where did this come from? Oh, I'm gonna have to rewind this video and see where I messed up. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you on my next one. Bye. You guys, so I'm editing the video now and I figured it out. So that extra 50 that I had is actually from Autumn. I did say that I pulled it out. So by mistake, as I pulled it out, I went and I put it in the tray. So yeah, that 50 is for spending for the weekend. But there's still an extra $4 in there. I don't know where it came from. And we're just going to leave it in there. You and